Chris Dorn here on a brokerage Scout 251 XS. This one is a 2015. We'll start here in the transom. This is a 300 Yamaha with a jack plate, which will allow you to get in a little bit more shallow water. You also have a power pole here for anchoring out while fishing. As you move forward, you notice these seats actually all fold down. So great for when you're underway, so to have a seat. But then once you're to your fishing spot, you can fold these down. You can actually use this as a casting platform. Moving forward, you have your console seat. This does remove for 2 additional rod holders. Here at the helm, you notice you have a Garmin 7612. It's a dual-purpose GPS and fish finder. You have tilt wheel. You actually have control for your power pole here as well, along with a VHF, and you do have a Garmin autopilot. As you continue to move forward, you'll see that you have rod storage on both sides. When you get up here, this actually piece lifts up here. You do have a head down below, and then also additional storage. Here you can have a really nice spot to have a bow pad for laying out. You can also remove all these, and you're going to have another great spot for casting. And as you can see here, you have the seat backrests for when you're underway. Again, these also move. Underneath these seats, additional rod storage. And then as you move forward, you have your anchored storage spot, as well as 2 spots for fishing rods. And then you also have your grab handles. My name is Chris. This is a 2015 Scout 251 XS. Please give us a call, stop by, or visit our website.